By beveling this 2x4 at just the right angle on both sides and boring out a hole at just the right place, this wine bottle holder counterbalances itself perfectly. Varying mixes of dry and wet concrete are sculpted and poured into a mold created by 4 egg trays to craft a custom plant pot. String lights are mounted to the wall and then covered up with a cotton-like material to create the illusion of thunderclouds and lightnings. This dude creates an easy stand jig 1.0 by mounting 2 roller frames in a vertical fashion that perfectly lets boards of wood quickly pass through and get stained. After carving out panels of styrofoam to install a water pump, this fountain is custom coated with textured concrete for an amazing look. After using a laser level to ensure straightness, this D-wire maps out a design template with black duct tape and then adheres mirrors accordingly for a cool industrial look. Old pallets are stained and foam pads are covered with sewn-on fabric to create a cool wrap-around bench for a deck. After measuring carefully and plotting out her walkway design, this D-wire traces the stones with spray paint, trenches out the plots and drops the blocks in for a clean look. Check this ambitious DIY couple. Trench out a circular lawn area, lay down cement blocks and erect a rustic wood structure to create a groovy fire pit space. Rather than throw out a pair of perfectly good chairs, this dyer spray paints them and pops some stickers on for an arena chair vibe. 27,000 UK pennies are fastened into a concrete slab with beads of silicone and then topped with a high-grade epoxy for a smooth finish. This craftsman makes a simple camping chair that relies on a counter tension between two 2x12 boards cut and boards perfectly to size. This crafty dyer places decorative templates over her dirty walkway and then power washes over them, only to reveal an amazing design. Plastic bags are packed with cement smooth out and then arranged on a walkway to create a pebblestone finish. Watch this inventive dewire create a faux leather finish on this old chair by smartly mixing house paint and fabric softener. To that, the mixture absorbs and doesn't crack. Stain is applied to this rubber graining tool template and then dragged across a table to create a faux wood grain finish. After a coat of decorative render fish is applied to a wall, a faux grout line is glued and then topped with a red finish, only to be pulled off to reveal a fake brick wall. Watch this innovative gardener wrangle old water hose parts to transform a Coke bottle into a pinhole sprinkler that waters large pieces of land efficiently. What was once a boring nook is transformed into a garden sanctuary by framing out the floor and filling the nook in with decorative rocks, lights and plants. Watch this faux brick finish get made by this handyman that builds a custom roller frame using old PVC pipes and rubber washers. A tropical wall stencil kit is used to create the illusion of wallpaper with 3 different size stencils, a few custom-made shades of grey and a dense foam roller pad. These books appear to be floating, thanks to this unconventional bookshelf with looped ribbons fastened to a plank of wood bolted to the wall.